responsible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. That's what it is. Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night, ready for a great day. Morning, iMac. Good morning, Micah. Good to see you guys. Give me a minute to get undiscombobulated. I was doing something else and didn't realize the time until I heard a little ding from my Alexa. Give me 1 second. Okay, now, yeah, I think I'm where I need to be. Okay, let's look at the market, shall we? To market, you can see we've been rising up. NQ's been rising up off that NVIDIA earnings report yesterday. 676 the low and 925 the high. It's about 250 points of range. ES 5015 the low, 5067 the high. That's a huge range for overnight for both of these. 15 to 67, I don't know, 40, 47 points, I don't know, something like that. Early morning math, not my thing. Copper, about 80 ticks in range. It's mid-range. Gold, slightly below mid-range here at 10 points. Ultra Bond, about 3/4 of a point, kind of stagnant. Crude oil, big dump there on crude. We'll have to get that cleaned up. About 80 ticks of range. Natural gas also dumping. Bitcoin hanging around 15.5. That's where we sit. Stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. well, well, I am, but that's okay. Oh, you mean the reports? We have a minefield of news today, an absolute minefield. Matter of fact, I actually sent that out as the good morning this morning of an ox walking through a minefield. U.S. jobless claims, Canadian retail sales, and Chicago National Activity Index all at 8:30 Eastern, 9:45 Eastern. U.S. S&P PMI flashes, 3 different ones. 10 o'clock, U.S. existing home sales. A Fed speaker also at 10 o'clock. 10:30 natural gas inventories, and at 11 o'clock crude oil inventories. So we will navigate that. Pops back up. We're slightly under 17,900, which is hard to believe considering where we were yesterday at this time. But those NVIDIA earnings just were absolutely, you can see here, here's the NVIDIA chart. And it faked everybody out because you can see it dipped. I mean, and it dipped big time. This is almost like a CPI report where it fakes you out the first minute or whatever. It went from 679 down to 645. So a quick 24, 30, no, $34 drop, and then boom, whoosh, went from 679 all the way up to 745. But I mean, if you go from the bottom to the top, it went up by $100. And you can see here in the early morning, it's still, actually just pulled back. Wow, look at that. I don't want to be on that ride. That just, it's dipping by dollars at a time. What does it think it is? NQ? Micah, sorry, I wasn't trying to ignore you. So you're liking yeah, easy for me to say. I'm talking too fast. You're liking YM? Yes, yes, it does. Weird symbol on the Russell. M2K. Yeah, that'd be a good way to put it, Micah. Also, remember, you don't need to jump right into the regular size contract. All the indices have micros, 1/10 the size of the normal contract. M6K? Well, I don't know. Let's go take a gander. I don't have an M6K, I have an M6E. That's a micro euro. There's a bunch of micro currencies. Micro euro, micro Aussie, micro British pound, micro yen, micro Canadian dollar. Yeah, M2K, that's the micro Russell. Yeah, I mean, I prefer to trade, the minis as well, but I was just saying, when you decide to go, from a sim to a prop account or a live account, whatever you decide to do, you might just want to start off with the micros and then as you get the feel of it that way. Just a suggestion, no, not financial advice. Just trying to pop here a little bit, just a little bit. Not a lot of oomph right now in the market. Well, that will change here in about 19 minutes. Of course, big news from yesterday that's not movement related. Apex and Bulenox both 90% off. Well, I'm sorry, Bulenox was 91%. I'm at. How's your funded account going with Bulenox? That's a good thing. Oh, well, I guess I should have I was going to take that blue candle. Should have. All of a sudden, we burst up there. Give me a second here, guys. I need to take a couple ibuprofen. By a couple, I mean like 20. So you can see we're getting up to, if we look over here on the 5, number 5, alive. We came up, consolidated, came down, tried to come back up, failed, came down. So this is the high point of the attempt up earlier. That was 904 half. We're sitting at 900 half. If it breaks that 904, I may grab it. Yeah, there has been a lot of chop this week. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Oops, what did I just do? What? Why is it doing that? Ah! I had this problem once before, and I don't remember how I did to fix it. Great. I can't. Ah! Okay. Let me try to remember what I did to fix my auto-scrolling mouse. Okay, so I got a problem here, and I don't remember how to fix it. As you can see, it's scrolling all my charts automatically. I just pressed a button, and I'm not even sure what I pressed. I'm still doing it. Come on. Well, for now, so you guys aren't looking at like blank charts, I'll try to. No. Dang it. Okay, technical difficulties. Please stand by. Still doing it. Oh, still doing it. Still doing it. Oh, this is annoying. That's not even doing it fast enough to get to. So I at least be having a good NQ chart up for you guys while I try to fix this. Faster. Hey, JC. All right. Now I need to figure out how to fix this auto scrolling thing. I can't fix this. I'm not going to be able to trade. How you doing, JC? I don't know what to do. I had this problem once before. I don't remember how I fixed it. I'm having a mouse issue. It's auto scrolling. Maybe I did fix it. Nope. Still doing it. It made me chuckle. But I can't. I had this problem once before. I don't remember what I did to fix it. Maybe. Maybe. Really? Okay, fixed. I think. Maybe. Yeah, fixed. Yay! Remind me if that ever happens again to just unplug and replug in the USB dongle. I was able to get it fixed before the first news reports of our minefield. I wish I knew what caused that to start doing that. I don't know if I hit something or if it just decided to be stupid. So, mouse issues fixed. Okay, we're pushing down. Somebody in here just blow up my Apex affiliate code. It's like someone just bought 20 accounts. Oh, awesome. Whoever it was, if it was someone in here, I appreciate it very, very much. So I'm green on the day on affiliate sales. How are you doing today, Sid? Big news coming up in less than 3 minutes. 3 minutes, people. I know you well. You'll get that back. Okay, folks, let's get ready to rumble. I could have taken that short earlier there when my mouse was being stupid. Less than a minute to the first gaggle of news. Bunch of news this morning, like I said, minefield. Got news at 8:30, 9:45, 10, and 10, and then also crude oil and natural gas inventories after that. Interested to see if the market heading up all night, basically. If this is a big pullback on this news, we'll see. Ooh, well, yeah. Quick burst down. It wasn't that big, though. Bigger than it thought. That's what she said. Down about 7 points. It's giving back a last. Well, looks like it. Let's look at the bigger chart here. Boom, 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 boom. It came back down to like this level, 868. and then 857. Looks like it's bouncing right back up. Bounce, 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 bounce. Popping back up, so we're right back to where we were. Still struggling to try and get above 17,800. I'm sorry, 17,900. Look at that 5-minute wick. Gold really dumped on that news though. Gold's down to 2033. Crude's heading down. Ultravion's heading down. Russell is unhappy. Oh, yeah, let's take a gander at what the numbers were. Just Canadian retail sales 0.9, they expected 0.8. Jobless claims came in cool, 201K, they expected 216K. And Chicago National Activity Index is negative 0.3, they expected negative 2.1. So a little bit of mixed numbers. The jobless claim number was probably the biggest one. And nice rise up. Seems like it's gotten emboldened. But coming back down a little bit. Can it push up? You see it's struggling here. 97, 97, 97. 97 was the high on that candle as we were coming down. See if it can break on through to the other side. hitting a little bit of a wall here at 97. Will the wall come tumbling down in the wall? All in all, it's just another wick to the wall. Long on the break of the wall. The target, that high, recent high of 908. It's still struggling. Come on, break through 900. It's struggling, trying to break through 9. Give me a clean break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a 10-point win. Sorry. Even I thought that was silly. Yeah? Yes, I got a link to enter the Blue Sky giveaway. Give me 1 second. Please hold for the next available phone operator. Hey, guys, we are giving away a Blue Sky static growth account. Link is being posted right now. Here's the details. The announcing the winner a week from today on Leap Day. Giving away one of those new Static Growth Plus accounts, which I think is the best static right now in the industry. Just perform the actions on the link and you'll get entries into it, and we'll be announcing it live on stream. There's some stuff is once only, some stuff is every day. I think there's like 2 things you can do every day. Most of it's only one time, but yeah, the visit the Blue Sky Trading and the click for a daily bonus. Let me check that. I might need to edit something here. I might need to edit that click for a daily bonus thing. I might have screwed something up there. Yeah. There we go. I'll just make it 0. There we go. Fix that. Okay, now the click for the daily bonus entry should work each day. Yep. So could not get back above. Got up to 902. It looks like it's rejecting them. Oops. Sorry, still had the image on screen. Doing too many things at once. Come on, come back up for me, baby. And while I'm here playing with the software, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate it. Gore that like button.
How's carnivore going, JC? We're just kind of sitting here in this area. My stop is 8 points. My target's 10. I feel like we're more likely to hit my stop than my target at this point, but we'll see. Hey, Rod. Hey, John. There's my stop. That didn't work out. How you doing today, guys? Excellent, JC. Good luck. And remember to enter the giveaway. Be an exciting time in a week from now. You took 3 NQ. Where'd you take it? No, sorry, kidding. Remember the next 4 days, you got those Apex and Bulenoxes 40%, I mean, 40%, 90% off. Excellent. Green trades are always good. You've really been killing it lately, John. Oh, John, I got the email back from Replicanto. I just need to, uh, I need to just fill out the form and then we should be good to go. So I think I should be an affiliate of Replicanto by tomorrow. They have it set up weird where you got to email them first and then they'll send you the link to sign up. It's not like the sign up's not on their page. It's weird.
Good morning, Robin. How are you doing? I'm doing all right. Yep. Choppy, choppy. It'll be okay. Blue candle coming back up. It can't get above that 900 or sustain above it. Well, that was rude. Sign me out. There we go. Now it's trying to break 900 again. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me once, shame on whatever I'm trying to say. So now we'll look for above 908. Oh yeah, nice pop there on UB. Very nice.
Still cannot get above 900 here. Yeah, that Apex sale is also buy today, pass today, trade funded tomorrow. I mean, you don't have to pass in one day, but if you can, that seems like a perfect sale for you, JC, with you liking to just go full out on not worry about any consistency rules or anything like that. I really believe this will be the last 90% we see for months. Maybe when Apex hits 150 million in payouts might be the next time. Still can't break above 900. We're about 7 minutes to the top of the hour. Crude's heading down. Dow's heading up nicely. Dow's a lot less choppier than the NQ is right now, as is the ES. Right now, the NQ is the one being. Oh, ouch. Is it done? You have to replace it? I've been a tad concerned about my PC. It's rebooted on its own twice in the last week or so, and I put a temperature monitor on the processor, and every now and then it's like, notice it's exploding up to like the cores of the processor are hitting 90 to 100 Celsius, which is probably what's causing the reboot. I don't know what's causing. I mean, when I looked at it, it happened last night, and I started shutting some Google Chrome tabs down, and that seemed to make it happy. I don't know why I would have have a problem with the 75 tabs I had open. Yeah, there you go. That's gonna be an expensive giveaway win. I want a prize. Now I got to go out and buy $1,000 machine. It's trying to run at 900 again. I did not expect this chop today, really. Boy, how much is the interest on that? You can see here the Dow not choppy at all. Heading up. I think it's at high. It's approaching high day. It might get a little choppy. And crude's just heading downward. It opens here in a minute. There's the top of the hour, and still nothing. This is just gross.
Still just can't get through this 900 wall. I should have been trading ES, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it's gotten. I mean, the stream, the channel's been growing some. We're up like 15 subscribers over the last week or so. Um, I'm not, I realize that people have other things to do or other options. So I'm not too upset by it. We're back up, like right now we're at 24 viewers. And a couple weeks ago we were struggling to get like above 15. So morning, Ace. How was your thing at school yesterday? So Ace and RJ must are coming on the same bus. And now we're breaking back down away from 900, back down to 90. Got down to 88 over here. Let's see if it does that. Boring morning. I expected an exciting morning, and so far it's been boring. Oh yeah, you beat the star of the morning so far. Russell's still heading down. Crude oil's still heading down. Crude has its inventories there, but you can see it's made a new daily low since I moved that yellow line about an hour and a half ago. Ultraviolet actually dipped on the news below its daily low and then ripped up, as did gold. Yeah, Nvidia made sure it got there. All right, folks. Yeah, if you are enjoying the stream, gore the like button. Gore it, gore it, gore it, gore it, gore it.
All right, good luck, Imad. Nice move down there. Try to get through that 888 that we saw back here. There's 887. There we go. That got down to 885 and kind of bouncing around. Well, there we go. Back down. Come on. What's your target, Imad? Oh, so you just got your target? Excellent. 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 Wait. RJ, you said 38,630. We're at 38,893 now. So did you just give us downside numbers for both sides, both numbers there? Or I might be confused. About 20 minutes to the bell. Remember, we have news 15 minutes after the bell. AJGR. That's what's confusing me, RJ. Maybe I'm brain farting, but we're already 200 points above that long number. We're at 38,897, and you're saying for a long 38,630, which is 250 points lower. So that's why I'm confused, but maybe I'm missing something. Okay, good. I was like, what am I messing up here? So it did drop there nicely, down to 875 on NQ. Did you take your short there, Ace? Excellent. Excellent. Little bounce there on NQ. Got down to 871. Just trying to bounce. Not sure it's going to. There's Ace's 2 points. NQ climbing back up that last big red candle. Well, I'm glad we figured out your chart was frozen before you tried to make a trade off of it. Back up to 885. Nice little run back up here. Be careful, JJR. Ace, did you get out? Two is good. I've heard from others that it can feed a family. So I've only taken one trade this morning. So far, it was a loss. We'll see what we get after the bell. Unless something pops quick here before the bell, but. Pushing back down. Back down to 874. Got down to 870 over here. See if we break back down. Break it down. Slow. So will we see any oomph after the bell? Remember, we have news at 9:45 and at 10. So while I have a moment, I want to thank everybody that's been watching the new daily video, the futures prop firm discount snapshot. Been doing decently. Blue candle. Trying to push back up, but yeah, I don't like any of this price action. I do not like it, Sam. I am. Oh, could you on a boat? Oh. Oh, there's a pop back up. Pop up, pop down. Those of you that are baseball fans, spring training games start today. Pushing back down. Coming back down. Again, we got down to 870 over here. Up, down, up, down. We are like 5 minutes to the bell, so we're just going to stay flat, which means it should like shoot down 50 points now before the bell. I like that. Quick whoosh. It wasn't a big whoosh. Less than 5 points. Now it's a bigger whoosh. Ooh, wow. Okay. Not sure what's causing all of that. Back up to 880. So once it kind of got down slightly lower, just 869. So, are we ready for the bell? Y'all are getting quiet on me. So cool little move back up 69 up to 79, so 10 points. I want to thank everyone for joining me. If you're new, feel free to I just knock something off my desk. Feel free to join us in the chat. Questions, comments are always welcome. 2-minute warning from Ace. And remember, goring that like button is very much appreciated. Look at that. All the way back up to 889. It's making a run for 900 right here before the bell. Dow's pulling back. Crude, big move up. Russell moving up. Gold stagnant. Ultra bond looks a little stagnant. Oh, look at that burst right before the bell. Wow. Blows through 900. And comes right back down. Got up to 919, ran. I mean, in the last 5 minutes, it went from 69 to 19. It's like 50 points. Quick move back down. So it's still being weird. And trying to bounce back up. There's 900 again. It's struggling. It's struggled at 900 a couple times today. Now it's struggling again to hold it. ES, big dump. Look at that. Down 7 points. Dow is down 46. So I do not trust this NQ attempting to move up here, and you can see it just turned red as well. Tried to take a short on the break of 70 there, and let's see if it happens. There we go. It's look like we're bouncing on the Dow. Nope, looks like it found a bottom and is bouncing now. Stop me out. Dang. Sucking shit. And right back down. Wow. Now it's going to break. It's going to go without me. Maybe. So still choppy, just with much bigger candles. Chop, chop, chop. Not much to say right now. Don't really see anything I like. Anybody seeing anything they like? I feel like it wants to break down more here. Our low is 64. We're hanging at 73. Remember, we have news coming up in 9 minutes. We're getting flashed by the PMIs. Choppy around 870. Oh, back up again. It's struggling to get through that 100 EMA or the 20 EMA. Actually, why do I not have that? Yeah, I just realized my chart is missing the 20 here. Where's VWAP? VWAP, VWAP. I don't even see it. Oh, VWAP's way down there. And right back up. Blue candle on the 1, but still struggling to get through that 20 on the 5 or the 100 on the 1, whichever you want to call it. Russell, big candle over there, top right-hand corner. Gold still bleeding. Crude oil's heavy. Crude oil has its inventories in a little bit. Again, I remind you, news coming up in just a few. Nice, RJ. That's a nice. Ended up being a nice blue candle, but eh. So it came down and came back up on that blue candle. So I decided to go long as well here. Boom. Target hit. Boom. So I took 15 points of 5 micros, so $150 trade there. In at 893, out at 908, and it only, oh wow, holy wow. Did I just get really lucky? It did not go a tick further than 908. It's pulling back now. Did not go a tick further so far than my target. Let's see if it comes back up or if the trading gods are smiling upon me today. So it's my first win in 4 tries. I don't think they're smiling upon me today, but you know. But wow, look at this rejection back down. Now it's popping back up after hitting that EMA. Let's see if it comes back up. I would have been sweating if that hadn't hit my target and it came all the way back like that. News coming up in about 90 seconds. Nice, RJ. An excellent trade for the both of us. Still hanging here right around 900. It just glued to 900. It keeps coming back to it. Wow, boom. That just blew through the high day. The overnight high. ES not quite there. It's overnight high 50, 67, 75. It's about 2 points off, 3 points off of that. NQ has established a new high day, and YM has blown through its high day. That was our news candle. Remember, we have more news again in 15 minutes. U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI 51.5. They expected 50.7. Services PMI 51.3. They expected 52.3. So kind of mixed numbers there. One was a beat, one was a miss. Market liked it though. Up to 937 now in NQ. ES at 50.64. Russell's running, Dow's running, crude's running, gold popped up, ultrafilm popped up. Everything is happy right now. Shiny, happy assets climbing. Pulls back tad, just a tad. Just a tad, no? Still climbing. Dow trying to get up to 39,000. Not sure where's this high, all-time high. 39,012, is that all-time high? That is. The Dow really near an all-time high.
which looks to be 39,012. So it's only about 40 points off of there. NQ trying to get back to 18,000. ES, I'm not sure. Where do we get all-time highs on ES? We might be there. Oh, we're there. I didn't even realize that. How about that? So we are already at all-time highs on ES. It just made a new high, blew through the overnight, 50.70. NQ, not quite there. Its all-time high, 18,121. So it's got a ways to go before it gets there. Is NVIDIA rocking the house? Oh, wrong one. There we go. So you can see NVIDIA yesterday moved the market up, kind of turned it around, and now kind of dipped a little bit, and then ripping here at the open up to 775. NVIDIA is now the most traded stock, replacing Tesla. And Q, once 18,000. Zero reason for me not to take those blue candles there, but especially this one that had the little micro pullback and then went back up. That was dumb of me. But I get these locks in my brain that tell me it's not going to continue going up. And then it continues going up. How's everyone else doing out there? Ace must be out the school. Oh, guess he's not out the school bus. Though I think he was speaking like Singaporean or Philippine. Yeah. Where are you long from, Ace? Well, that's no fun, John. Ooh, big pullback. Whips down. Short here. At 9:39. Target hit, 15 points. Boom. Got in at 9:39 off that purple candle. Just went for 15 again. Could have got more probably, but kind of happy with the 15. Recovered the entire. I was down up to 283 on the day. I'm now down just $2.20.
Eh. Is it old? Is it not giving it, or is it just not as advertised? News coming up again in a few minutes, top of the hour. And a Fed speaker at the top of the hour as well. Dropped back down to 900 that quick. Look at that. We hit 970, and now 5 minutes later, we just broke below 900. Good. I mean, yeah, 4 minutes is enough time, I guess, but still. Back fighting at 900. Oh, wow. What was your entry on that, Ace, if I can ask? Because I was surprised to see you. I thought you were out with the bus. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And popping back up to 50.71. So you're able to make up for the loss of the holiday on Monday and not being able to trade yesterday as well. The family will eat. Dow just hit all-time high. 39,047 right now. When will the Dow break 40,000? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask here at Mighty Ox Trading. See, we're chopping around right now. Gotten sideways over the last 5 minutes. See which way it wants to break. So we know that breaking up is hard to do. Breaking up is hard to do. Ouch. Trying to find some oomph. Remember news coming up? Oops. Well, I was a little late to warn about news there. A little burst on the news. It comes right back down. U.S. existing home sales beat expectations. 4 million versus 3.97 million. We do have a Fed speaker now. Don't know if he's going to say anything important. Remember, just 3.5 more days of that Apex and Bulenox 91% sales. And like I said, I think this is going to be the last time we see 90% for a long time. It is trying to push back up now. Oh, pulls down. I'm going to enter that blue sky giveaway. Giving away one of their awesome new static growth accounts. We'll be pulling the winner a week from today. Let's go to the link that was just posted by Nightbot and do some or all of the actions that gain entries into the giveaway. Jefferson is say things that are making financial juice go red, so it'll likely be appropriate to begin cutting policy rate later this year. Drops down, hits that 20 EMA. A hiccup, sorry about that. Kind of squeaked when I did, it was weird. So we're kind of watching, seeing when we might get another opportunity here that I like. Dow looks like it might have popped the top, trying to pull down. Pop the top again. I eventually want a whole house generator that clicks on if the power goes out. Oh, we are rising back up. So bounced off that EMA, coming back up. See if it gets back above this recent high here of 939. This past summer when I lost power for like 3 days, it really sucked. Oops, getting close to that 939. Long. Hoping for the break here. Got in a little late. 941. Let's see what happens. Yeah, looks like it's going to reject. That was the danger of trying to go for support resistance break. It sometimes decides to not break. Morning, Tio. How's it going? Coming back up here. Come on. Break through that 941. There we go. Come on. Got within 6 ticks of stopping me out before. Now it's just hanging around my, just rejecting off my entry again. Maybe I should have taken a break even out there. We'll see what it does. Let's try it again. Let's blow up the chart. There we go. There's 950. Maybe I should have put the target right at that even number. Let's see. Yeah. It's like I should have put it at 950. Back down almost to my entry. Yep, now we're red. Nah. Yep. Dang it. Total stop. So I could have had 9 points. Instead, I took a full stop. Stupid decision on my part not to get out, seeing a green down here and a red candle with that was a upside down hammer. I forgot what they're called. So, and now it's going to bounce. My stop was at 26. Interesting. I got stopped at 26 on 2 of them and 25 on 3 of them. That's a pretty big difference. That's a 4 tick difference on a couple of contracts. We're hanging around 930. Russell's coming down as well. Gold dropping big. New low of day on the gold. Wow, look at that. So it came down to 22. My stop was at 26, and now boom, look at that. Boom, shaka laka. So high there was 50. Will it break 50? Does. We'll try again. I don't know if I like these pullback moves and all that, but we'll see. Had been working for me. That last one didn't. Looking to see if it's on this run. It wants to get up to high day. Or maybe not high day. Was that high day? Yeah, it was high day. 790, 970. Yeah, I mean, 790 would be low. Jose is going to stop me out again. So we're back down to being down 300 bucks. No problem. Wow, Apex is doing so many sales that one of their payment processors is down. On the run. Back up. Not falling for it a third time. Remember to check out today's futures prop firm discount snapshot. Links there in the chat. Back up to 950. Like I said, I'm not going to fall for it again. It seems to be running into issues here. And rejects again. So we'll go ahead and try and fall for it the third time. Big move back down to 930. So choppier morning this morning, even with the move up, it hasn't been extremely easy to trade. Not that it's ever extremely easy to trade, but still. Natural gas inventory is coming up in about 10 minutes, and then crude oil inventory at the top of the hour. I think the Fed speaker has stopped yapping. Yeah, he seems to have. Hey, Captain Price. How you doing? Good to see you. I saw your K. Popping up. Just a tad. Just a tad, no? Yep, NVIDIA running wild. Here's NVIDIA. Back up to 776. ES and YM are at all did make all-time highs. NQ's languishing a little bit behind. Got to be patient. I don't like this price action. I shouldn't have taken those other two shorts earlier. It was bad trade. Wow, look at this breakdown all of a sudden. Down 15 points on this candle. Break it down. Working its way back up to you, babe. Oh. Never know what you might hear come out of my mouth. Like that purple candle. Went away. Away. Oh, sorry. Did not mean to rub the mic with my finger. That was probably really annoying. I do something stupid with the mic like at least once a day. In case you missed it, giving away one of those Blue Sky Static Growth Plus accounts. Nightbot's been posting the link. It's also in the video description, I think. You know what? I think I need to put it in the video description. But let's go to the link, do the actions to get some entries. We'll be announcing it a week from today. Quick burst back up there. Trying to get back up. Our high was 970, I believe. It's at 945. All right, 970. Yeah, 970 quarter. If anyone's trading natural gas, inventory is less than a minute.
Yep, see, we're running again. Up to 963, running for that high. Running for the high. Still can't get back up to the high. So chef out with the dramas going on Apex's Discord. $961 running for that 970. Got 967 pulled back.
Trying again for that high. Struggling. Gold's trying to bounce it to getting down to 2030. There's a break of the high up to 974 now. Will it run to 18,000? How's everybody doing today? Red, green, somewhere in between? Excellent. Sid, are you trading NVIDIA at all, or is that one you stay away from? NVIDIA. I'll get it right eventually. AMD's having a wonderful day as well. Alphabet's kind of mixed. A little bit of a pullback. So 975 down quickly, back down by 20. Pulls back to 953. So you saw that purple candle there on the one because it had wicks both sides. I didn't take it. May take this short off the 5. I'm not sure yet. See, we got a minute to go. Oh, big whoosh. So we've now dropped 30 points from the high. 35 points, 40 points. See if we continue to head down. It might try to bounce here on me anyway. So I'm in at 43. Looks like it's going to bounce on me here. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Come on, down. Just trying. Come on, baby. Nope. Pull back up. Come on back down. There. That's what I like to see. Yeah. Drops down to 932. Struggling here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Struggling. Taking it off there. Not sure it's going to get down. So it's a green trade. Not nearly as much as it could have been, unfortunately. 52.50. Pushing down. So yeah, I should have stayed in. I got out at 37, and it's broken down. I just was impatient there. About 15 minutes to go. Look at that drop. So I could have got much more. Back down to 900, which is an area we've been at a lot of today. You see how often it's chopped around 900. Let's see if that's support now. Coming back down. Trying to break through 900, not really getting there. The entire chat got quiet for like the last 30 minutes. Where did everybody go? There's a break at 900.
About 10 minutes to go. Also, 10 minutes until crude oil inventories if anyone's trading crude. Tio, did you sit on your hands today or did you take any trades? RJ, you still here with us? Did you take any other trades after that earlier one? Absolutely. And we're back up. So we got down to 96 and a quick bounce back up. And back down. Purple candle here on the one. Yep. It's just hanging right on 900 again. We've said that multiple times today.
So we're kind of limping into the end of here. Nothing much that I really want to trust taking. So very quiet today here in the chat. We'll be back tomorrow to finish up the week. Today we're inundated with news. Tomorrow, I don't think there's any news at all. I'm looking. No, there's absolutely no news on the docket tomorrow. So will that be good or not? Just trying to push back up. So remember, if you need any evals, 90% off Apex, 91% off Bulenox. That sale is running through the end of Sunday night. Grab them now because, like I said, I think it's going to be the last 90% sale we see for quite some time. Okay, we've reached the top of the hour. Oh, let's check what crude's doing on its inventories. Whoa, crude liked its inventories. Boom. 78 half. All right. Well, if you want to use my link, I'll appreciate it. If you don't, no pressure. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Wow, natural gas really died. We'll be back tomorrow to finish up the week, 8 a.m. Eastern. Everyone should be here in attendance. I'll be taking attendance.
Not really. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Stay green if you're going to continue to trade. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I can't find my software. Uh, it's just posted by Nightbot right above HBIAAP. Yeah, or you can just click that link and it'll put the code in for you. Yeah. There you go. Assuming you meant Apex. If you meant Bulenox, it's MOT 91. I forgot. There's two sales running. Apex, Bulenox, MOT 91. Yep. So yeah, Apex is at HBIAAPLY. I wish they would let me do my own, but they won't. So have a great day. Thank you, JJR, and we'll see you tomorrow. If I can find my software. There it is. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.